What happens when the work environment is adapted to the employees? Boozt contacted us at AJ Products, and together we developed workstations for customized tasks, with a focus on better ergonomics and flow.
We have managed to eliminate several unnecessary steps and awkward movements, which has made the work easier.
Based on the employees' needs, we created a design that resulted in unique workstations. In a warehouse handling thousands of orders daily, good ergonomics is an important part of the work environment. Thanks to the close collaboration, we solved the challenges. The new electric work tables are height adjustable, with practical and convenient shelves that follow the table's movement. With materials and equipment placed at a convenient height in front of the work area, the number of uncomfortable movements is reduced, which improves ergonomics.
My workstation is better now. We have the packing material nearby. We can work faster, and it's better for us who work here.
We also introduced customized packaging trolleys. The result is that the staff can easily and efficiently retrieve the necessary materials they need and conveniently fold the boxes directly on the trolley's shelf. In addition to saving time, the solution has also freed up space at the packing stations, and the packaging can be stored in a better location. The customized solutions are now used at the packing stations and during receiving.
Being able to adjust my desk to the right height for standing means my work is much more efficient and I feel much healthier.
It's really fun to be part of the journey and help Boozti towards a better work environment for their employees.
If you need to improve your work environment, contact us at AJ Products.